It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. In this video, I designed this recipe for chorizo machi, and I'm sorry I'm botching it up, but I will spell it. It's Chinazo, and the last name is Machie. She has a channel, and she wrote on a comment on one of my previous videos. It said, "In my country, Mother's Day is coming up. So I challenge you to make a Mother's Day inspired breakfast, lunch, dinner for children like me for their mom." So this is what I have designed for her, and I think it's pretty simple. And so I'm calling this Brunch in a Wonton. And here you go. So let's get started. All right, we're going to start off by spraying the pans. I'm only going to do so many, because I want to show you, because I did this recipe before and I don't have that many people eating. So we're going to spray it, and you're going to take one wonton wrapper. It's a little dry, some of them, but I'm going to go in the center. Here we go. You're going to go like that and insert it in. Make sure it looks nice. I'm going to do 6 of them. Alright, so we're going to do 6 of them. Put them in like this. There we go. I've had the package open, so a couple of them dried out, but I'm just finding some little softer ones. I'll use that for something else, the other ones. Right now. Just going to make it look kind of pretty. Here, pretty. All in how you shape it. Okay? I'll do one more. Alright. Now I'm going to spray them again, because it makes a nice crispy taste on them. There. So we're going to put the scrambled eggs I've already made. So you pre-make the scrambled eggs. And just put a little bit in the bottom of each one. Now, all the ingredients will be listed down below, but in this batch I used 6 eggs and a little bit of milk. This amount, so I got probably a little more than enough for 6, but I'm going to work on 6 to show you what it's like. Of course, if I haven't said it, you should always wash your hands before cooking on any project. Probably is enough for another one, but we're gonna move along. Alright, so the next thing I like doing is, at this point, I'm gonna try this. I never use this, but I think for those who like a little spicy, I'm gonna add one to test it, because I thought that would be good to add this on. I never did it in the original ones. Here, I'll do a couple, put a little bit of spice on it. Alright, then some cheddar cheese, the yellow or white. I just happen to have the white. A little bit on everything. A little bit on all of them. Right. Now I preheated the oven to 350 in the meantime. And I'm going to pop them in the oven as soon as we get the bacon bits on here. A little more cheese. Who doesn't love cheese? Yum cheese. Alright. And a little bit of bacon bits. But there we go. This looks fabulous. Make sure that's all in there. One more. Okay, last time I made this, I was told I didn't put enough bacon bits, so this time I got a little crazier with more bacon bits. So there you go for the meat lover. All right, so at this point, I'm going to put the pan in the oven. It's been preheated to 350 like I said already, and I'll get back to you in a second. So after it came out of the oven, I put it in for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to put a dollop. For those of you who don't like it, just eliminate it, but a little bit of sour cream in the center to make it look pretty. A little more. And then I'm going to take some green onions, just a bit. A little bit of taste, and it makes it look nice. There you go. There you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, share, and comment down below, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.